This is a brand new 2012 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a limited slip differential, skid plates, third-row seats, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a heated passenger seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, a chrome grille, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the parking camera will display what's behind you as you back out of the driveway or into the perfect parallel parking spot. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Thank you for considering Olympia Chrysler Jeep for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We are family owned and part of the Bruce Titus Automotive Group. We are conveniently located at 210 Carriage Way at the Olympia Auto Mall. We look forward to serving you.